So how do we go from this to this? After all, it's not every day that one builds a replica commercial jet fuselage. It starts with careful measuring of photos with known dimensions, drawing every part and modeling what we can in 3D. Real aircraft jigs are sturdy steel structures precisely engineered. But without a massive factory and million-dollar machines, the next best thing is plywood. By drawing every part, having them printed in full scale, and then cutting each template by hand, we jigsawed each part of the wooden jig. With a mountain of templates, the metal parts were also laid out and cut by hand. It was a manual process to drill each hole and bend every flange as accurately as possible. After all the parts were cut, a bigger facility was located. A garage with a large 12-foot door was found. The wooden jig was reassembled. So many things needed to be acquired and built: a 3-in-1 sheet metal brake and shear, a stand for it, and even a wooden workstand. Thanks to Sir Guy Montagu Pollock in England, Guy provided details of the windscreen shape and window cutouts. A level line was generated with a laser, and small cardboard pieces were arranged to create the cardboard template. With the cardboard template, the aluminum windscreen was cut. An original C window from the O'Hare Comet XANAS and later N999WA was acquired from Ross Jacobs, who led the O'Hare Comet team in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Next came forming the stringers and connecting them into the jig. An English wheel was purchased to shape the skins. This proved to be the most difficult of all the tasks. So come back for episode 3, where we'll continue skinning the nose, which we'll call section 1. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make a donation at havillandcomet.com so we can continue funding the Comet project.